guys.
That's Starbucks.
Why did you guys get Starbucks?
Because Ali was a little fidget spinner in her case, which is rolling around a lot. And we're tired. It's very exhausted. And we deserved it. It's 3 degrees. Like, it's 3-digit degrees. Look, guys.
Oh my
3-digit degrees, guys. Like, oh my god, it's so hot. So, and right now, tell the message she got from Cuckoo.
Oh yeah, Alicia just texted me right now and she's like, Mom, I want a cheeseburger. We're not gonna get cheeseburgers though. We are going to Taco Bell, a little bit healthier, I think.
And it comes right out.
Yeah, so we'll show you guys what we get. I'm just gonna get something small. We haven't had breakfast and I've been out and about all morning. We'll show you guys.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys can see. We got the Cinnaballs in here. And then my mom got the party box. What'd you get?
I got the party box, half Dorito crunchy tacos and half of them crunchy. And Cinnaballs. And that's it.
How's the drink, Aaliyah?
It's bomb. You guys should try the
Strawberry.
strawberry
Frappuccino. It's really good.
So guys, we are now home and Ashlyn is munching down. You guys all know she loves Taco Bell. This is like her 3rd taco. You need a shower, girl?
Babe, chocolate Tuesday.
So guys, Willie just got here with his twinsy and they went to get some quesabirria and pizza birria, guys. I guess all these are the sauce, and wow, let me see that one. Oh my god, that one. Aliyah, you literally left this on the table. That's how it looks, guys. And we'll go ahead. We tried them before. We ate them before. I just didn't vlog, but they're really bomb, guys. My sissy came to do petties for everyone. This is how mine turned out. Excuse my hairy patas. I don't know if you guys have hairy toes, but
Right here. She has it right here.
She gotta trim them down, guys.
No, Chave.
oh my god, I know I'm not the only one. But anyways, I did not just expose myself. Okay, Alize, can you show your petty? Oh, I have the light off, guys. I hope you guys could see. This is Alize's petty right here.
No free toe pigs.
This is Grandma's petty right here. I mentioned earlier, Sissy came. She did the whole pedicure situation here. So this is how my petty turned out. Excuse my hairy toes. No, I actually shaved them down.
Just a little, a trim.
Anyway, and then Grandma got her petty as well. This is how arthritis toes look like, guys. And who else got petties?
Me.
It was a house call, guys. She makes the best petties ever. Right now, she's gonna do my massage.
Here are my toes. No free toe pigs. Excuse the
That's
grammar.
Alize. She just came back from practice. I didn't film earlier, but I want to show you guys how they turned out. Miss Yalia, yours? And that's Alia's petty right there. Yeah, guys.
It's
And
not
we
the
all got
petty,
petties.
it's the massage.
Yeah, the massage instead.
My massage.
Yeah, we just need to do Ashley's, but right now she didn't want to sit here and do it. Today is a brand new day. I just closed out a couple of videos. You guys might see me with the same clothes and stuff. I was vlogging for Ashlyn's channel, Autism Life with Ashley there, representing. But I wanted to close out this video. It's been a couple of weeks ago already, but I just have it sitting there and I can't even upload it because I didn't have an outro for it. So we already got petties all over again, guys. We get them like every 2 weeks. We get house calls. My sister, she's really good with pedicures. She does our petties, and best of all, she gives us a good massage that is much needed, especially with moms like me that are always on the go or busy doing things or whatever the case is. She already did another pedi. I didn't even blog it anymore because I'm like, you know what? I haven't even posted the previous one. So forget it. But I hope you guys really, really like our pedis. You guys seen everybody's pedi and stuff. Every time my sister comes, you know, it feels like a party. She always wants to, like, if we don't have dinner, she's like, oh, we should get this, we should get that. So we like totally go for it. The food was good, and we love it when she brings little Barney. We call her little daughter because she's the baby of the house. We get our pedicures, house calls. Every 2 weeks she comes, and yes, we pay her because, you know, she's working. She gives us a full, you know, VIP. She comes to our home and she does a full massage with the pedicure. She brings all her equipment and all those goodies, guys. And also I wanted to mention, you guys saw Grandma's toes. I call her Grandma because of the girls, like Grandma, you know, but she is my mother. She got a pedi as well. And I wanted you guys to take a look at her toes. They're very, very deformed, guys. Those are arthritis toes. Yeah, she didn't have them like that. She didn't have them like that, but obviously she worked all her entire life. So, you know, she got arthritis on her toes. So they're like super duper crooked. Who cares that they were just crooked? But she claims that her toes really, really hurt. So she does go to the specialist. They clip her nails and all of that. And, you know, they take care of that. You know, the last resort or option would be getting an operation, which is very painful, but she can still walk. So we are thankful for that. I hope you guys really, really like and enjoyed this video. I hope you guys subscribe to the girls as well. You guys already know the drill. Excuse any interruptions there, but you guys already know the drill. All the kids' channels are linked in the description below. Make sure you give them a follow on their social medias and subscribe to their channels. We would really appreciate it, guys. We are very, very thankful for each and one of you guys. You guys, you know, are true supporters, and we love you guys. But don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And subscribe, like. Yeah, and we will be back with more videos.
And if you guys do not know, it is still the month of July. This whole month it is Ashlyn's birthday month. We do have a big sale going on in the store. All Puzzle Piece items are on sale. Just use code BDayAshlyn. We do have a video for Ashlyn in her channel, and we have it all over every social media you could think of. All of us are posting it and everything. Remember, this sale does end on July.
But that's good you mentioned it, because I always forget to mention the boutique. It's always linked in the description below, but I always forget to mention it. This is not from there, but you guys know I always wear our Lava Stone bracelets. Really, really cute, by the way. Thank you so much for all of you that have supported on purchasing in our boutique. The link is always down below, guys. I don't want to make this video too long.
This is our letter, our initial one. So I don't have the puzzle piece on me. And then this is our new limited edition jade bead.
Oh yeah, that one you're supposed to show it in another video. But anyways, we will be back with more videos, and thank you so much for watching.